Children, let's continue with our chapter Resistance and First War of Independence. The last class we learned about the rebellions in Kerala. Today we will discuss about the First War of Independence in 1857. Please listen the text. The First War of Independence in 1857. We have learned about the isolated resistance that occurred in different parts of the country. We already seen that many isolated struggles happened in many parts of the country. The army of the East India Company suppressed them. The military of the company defeated all the rebellions. By 1857, even people who were loyal to the company turned against them. By 1857, some supporters of the East India Company turned against them. The Indian soldiers in the British Army or sepoys and the kings who lost their hereditary rights as per the doctrine of lapse were the main leaders of the revolt. Indian sepoys in the British Army and some kings who lost their rights started war against the company. ഇവിടെ ഹെറിഡിറ്ററി റൈറ്റ്സിന് പരമ്പരാഗതമായിട്ട് കിട്ടിക്കൊണ്ടിരുന്ന രാജാവകാശമാണ്. അത് ഡോക്ടറിൻ ഓഫ് ലാപ്സിലൂടെ നഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടത് രാജാക്കന്മാരും. പിന്നെ സിപ്പോയിസ് മീൻസ് ബ്രിട്ടീഷ് ആർമിയിലെ ഇന്ത്യൻ പട്ടാളക്കാരെയാണ് സിപ്പായികൾ എന്ന് വിളിച്ചിരുന്നത്. ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ സിപ്പോയിസ് എന്ന് പറയും. The living conditions of the sepoys were miserable and they had led a hard life. The sepoys' life in the British Army was very difficult. The following things were the main reason for this disappointment. The sepoys were disappointed with the following conditions. That means the following were the main reasons for the disappointment. First one, meager wages. That means low salary. Prolonged working hours. That means long working time. Denying leave. No leave. Then slave-like treatment by superior officials. Superior officials behave like they were slaves. Poor quality food. These are the reasons the sepoys were disappointed in the British Army. In this context, the company supplied a new type of Enfield rifle to the sepoys. There was a rumor that the cartridges to be used in this gun were greased with the fat of cows and pigs. The company gave a new type of rifle to the sepoys. It is rumored ആണ് കിംവദന്തി എന്നർത്ഥം, കേട്ടുകേൾവി. The cartridges of the new rifle contained fat of pig and cow. അതായത് തോക്കിൻ്റെ ആ കടിച്ചു വരുന്ന ആ ഭാഗം, അത് ആ കാർട്രിഡ്ജസിൽ ഉപയോഗിച്ചിരുന്ന ഗ്രീസ് പിഗിൻ്റെയും കൗവിൻ്റെയും കൊഴുപ്പ് കൊണ്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കിയതാണ്, നെയ്യ് കൊണ്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കിയതാണ്. Another rumor was that the bread supplied to the sepoys was made from wheat flour mixed with bone powder. Another rumor was that the bread given to the sepoys contained bone powder. This provoked them to rebel. This led the sepoys to revolt against the British. Mangal Pandey was the first Indian soldier to protest. It was Mangal Pandey who started to protest against the British. An organized revolt against the military officials started in Meerut. Then the soldiers reached Delhi and proclaimed the last Mughal ruler Bahadur Shah II as the Emperor of India. A coordinated strike against the army officials of British started in Meerut. The sepoys hurried to Delhi and declared last Mughal ruler Bahadur Shah II as the Emperor of India. The revolt suppressed to different parts of North India. The revolt spread to different parts of North India. The rulers of princely states who had lost their power also joined the rebellion. The revolt further spread to Kanpur, Lucknow, Allahabad, Jhansi, Ara and Faizabad. The rebellion spread to other parts of the North India. The small kings lost their power or the princely states rulers lost their power also joined this rebellion. Then the revolt spread to Kanpur, Lucknow, Allahabad, Jhansi, Ara and Faizabad. You please listen the pictures. Mangal Pandey, Bahadur Shah II, Nana Sahib, Tandia Topi, Begum Hasrat Mahal, Jhansi Rani. The revolt was led by Nana Sahib and Tandia Topi in Kanpur, Rani Lakshmi Bai in Jhansi, Begum Hasrat Mahal in Lucknow, Maulavi Ahmadullah in Faizabad and Kanwar Singh in Ara. The company suppressed the revolt and Bahadur Shah Zafar was expelled to Rangoon. The revolt led by the leaders of revolt Nana Sahib and Tandia Topi in Kanpur, Rani Lakshmi Bai in Jhansi, Begum Hasrat Mahal in Lucknow, Maulavi Ahmadullah in Faizabad and Kanwar Singh in Ara. The main places and leaders of the revolt of 1857. Then Bahadur Shah Zafar was expelled to Rangoon. Expelled means departed. അതായത് നാട് കടത്തിയെന്ന്. അന്നത്തെ മുഗൾ ചക്രവർത്തിയായ മുഗൾ ചക്രവർത്തിയായ ബഹദൂർ ഷാ സഫറിനെ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു ബ്രിട്ടീഷുകാർ റംഗൂണിലേക്ക് നാട് കടത്തി. ബർമ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മ്യാൻമാർ. ദെൻ ലക്ക നഹി കി ജി മേര, എൻ്റേതാണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നില്ല. The days of life of passed with the approaching dusk, and now I will stretch my legs to sleep in the burial garden comfort. How unfortunate is Zafar, for 6 feet of land couldn't be found for the burial in his soil. ബഹദൂർ ഷാ സഫർ ലാസ്റ്റ് മുഗൾ ചക്രവർത്തി അദ്ദേഹത്തെ റംഗൂണിലേക്ക് നാട് കടത്തി. അവിടെ തടങ്കലിരുന്ന അദ്ദേഹം എഴുതിയതാണ് ഈ വാക്കുകൾ. ജീവിതത്തിൻ്റെ പകൽ തീരാറായി, സന്ധ്യ പടർന്ന് തുടങ്ങിയിരിക്കുന്നു. ഇനി ഇരുകാലുകളും നീട്ടി ശവക്കല്ലറയിൽ ഉറങ്ങും. ജനിച്ച മണ്ണിൽ ലയിക്കാൻ 6 അടി പോലും ലഭിക്കാത്ത സഫർ, നീ എത്ര നിർഭാഗ്യവാൻ. അദ്ദേഹം സ്വന്തം എഴുതിയ വാക്കുകളാണ് ഇവ. Hope all of you understood. Thank you.